Hello guys, it's me, Moonlight Wolf, and with another vlog because I'm going to a business trip, so I'm gonna be staying here until tomorrow. And it's just stopped raining. It's just thundering, but I just saw the most coolest thing that you guys need to know. I just saw like a rainbow. Yeah, for real, I just saw a rainbow. Like I don't know if it's still there or something. Yeah, I don't know if it's still there because we already have a balcony of the beach. But yeah, I already went to like the pool, the beach. Maybe tomorrow I'll make a video of it. And yeah, we have a hotel card, snack bowl, something, some blankets, safe, bed. The bathroom where my mom's in. Yeah, the bathroom. It's a shower that I don't like. My tablet's charging. Candy at 8. I don't know what is this. Yeah, like I don't really know what is it. So I'm just gonna plug in my mom's thing inside. That was like easy when I first put in my yeah, I just switch it in right now. I can turn my iPad if I wanted to. Yeah, it's charged. I think it is. We have this like okay, we're gonna go back and see the rainbow. Let's go, people. I'm gonna bring you guys with me if that's okay with you guys. And yeah, we're going to the adventure to get the cars, get the keys, to get everything. Come on, let's go. Yeah, but you don't actually see the whole rainbow. Like it's like you know that it's like just like a little you just go see half of it because I forgot to bring you guys with me. So yeah, we're gonna see if this elevator can open really quickly and. Yeah, we're gonna see which one wins. Which one wins? Which one will win? This one or that one? Which one will win? Would this one win or that one win? Oh, this one win. Okay, we're in the elevator, guys. I hope you enjoy the ride today. I hope you see the rainbow. Just cross your fingers, everyone. We're gonna see the rainbow. Oh my god. I hate when you go in the elevator. Open up. Open. Smack. Smack this. Smack. Smack. Oh my god. This is scary. Yay, we're here. Okay, guys, we gotta go to see the rainbow. We gotta go see if the rainbow's still there. We gotta go see if the rainbow's still there. I don't even know if the rainbow's still there. Let's just go check. I can't open this. Heavy. It's not there. When it's not there anymore. At least I got used to like seeing another vlog. But guys, promise me, trust me, I saw a rainbow. Trust me, I saw a rainbow. Saw one, okay? Trust me, guys, trust me. Trust me.
Bueno, nos regresamos, ¿no?
Too bad, guys, you didn't get to see the rainbow, but at least you get to see where I am at. And yes, I am at, I don't really want to tell you where I am. So I'm not going to tell you what room I am. Well, I'm not going to be telling you guys what room I am, but I am at Long Branch, of course I am. Yeah, here's about I am. I really like going to the beach, though. Go. And yeah, I don't really know how to swim, so while we can So as you guys can see, the plane just went by. Okay, at least we got some energy. Got some energy. Okay, I see you in the next vlog tomorrow, I think. Yeah, tomorrow. You guys know the next vlog.